Hello friends, welcome to today's income tax update. Well, there is a big relief to taxpayers as there is an extension of time limit of certain compliances in view of severe pandemic. To begin with, the specified entities are required to furnish statement of financial transaction, that is SFT, or statement of reportable account in respect of specified financial transactions or any reportable account registered or recorded maintained by them during the financial year to the income tax authority. This statement's due date is extended to 30th June, which was otherwise to be filed by this month end. TDS return for the last quarter, that is quarter ending March 2021, is extended to June 30th, and consequently form number 16 to be issued to the employees by the employer is also extended to 15th July 2021. TDS and TCS book adjustment statement, that is in the form number 24G relating to government, it is relating to government, is extended to 30th June 2021. Statement of deduction of tax from contributions paid by the trustees of an approved superannuation fund for the financial year 2021, which is otherwise supposed to be filed by May 31st, is extended to 30th June 2021. Statement of income paid or credited by an investment fund to its unit holder, be it in a form number 64D or 64C, are also extended to 30th June that and 15th July respectively. 64D is extended to 30th June and 64C is extended to 15th July respectively. Coming to return of income for assessment year 21-22 in case of normal SSC who are not covered under audit is extended to 30th September instead of 30th July. And due date for furnishing tax audit report is extended to 31st October 21. Due date of furnishing report from accountant in respect of international international transactions or specified domestic transactions under section 92E is extended by 1 month to 30th November instead of 31st October. Corporate associates or firm whose accounts are required to be audited, or partner of such firm whose accounts are required to be audited, or any associate other than this corporate or firm whose accounts are required to be audited is also extended to 30th November 21. Due date for associates required to furnish return under section 92E in respect of international transaction is extended to 31st December. Coming to the last one, belated or the revised return is extended to 31st January 22. The press release, relating to this, the press release was issued by Government of India extending certain timelines in light of severe pandemic. The same press release is displayed right in front of your screen, just for your reference. It consists of extension of the timelines of 14 compliances. Thank you friends for watching this video. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.